is October 11th and it's my birthday, y'all. Oh my goodness. I just keep picking up my flowers because they're so fucking cute. Look at this. Like, is this not cute as shit? It's so cute, but it's Tuesday morning. Everybody texting me happy birthday. I'm getting so much love. And I'm just thankful. But I'm gonna get ready to just start my day because it is a Tuesday, and I said I didn't get the kids last night. So if you haven't already, go and watch my vlog from yesterday. The vlog is long, I know, but y'all, I know y'all gonna love it. The vlog is long. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in part 1 and part 2 because it's so long, but I'm gonna start my day. I should have hired a goddamn maid today, but don't worry, I'll do it next week. It'll be a birthday gift to myself. I also gotta figure out what gift I want to get for myself, but Ice! Robbie! Ice! Ice! Y'all leave each other alone. They chasing the shit out of each other. But anyways, I'm finna get my day started, y'all. I'm finna wash these dishes real quick, feed these animals, and then I gotta make my birthday content, and then I'm gonna get to editing and making sure I got my birthday posts and stuff up. And then tonight, B is taking me and my kids to dinner for my birthday, so I'm gonna put on a cute outfit. It's gonna really be a really simple day, because I'm actually celebrating this weekend with my friends and stuff. So yeah, I just been, y'all know Libras, we celebrate all freaking month. So I celebrated last weekend with my friends, with my YouTube crew, and then this weekend I'm celebrating with like my hometown friends and stuff like that. So this is going to be a lit birthday. I got some rest, so that's probably why I probably got drool and shit and tears all over my face because I ain't washing my face. You know, I had a little birthday. I had a little birthday. Birthday sex. That's why your girl in a good mood. But let me get my day started and then I'll be back, you know, looking cute or whatever.
In the house.
Look at
I'm
him.
so motherfucking ready. Y'all, we finna turn up this weekend. I'm trying to get Lily on some shrooms. We finna take plenty of trips. Atlanta is not ready for what we about to provide. And it's some ass and a whole lot of class.
Oh my goodness. You up early working.
Girl, my client got me. I'm talking about husband for this weekend. Do you hear me?
Yes. Okay guys, I have not checked in. I forgot to, honestly. I was making this background. Okay, so this is my happy birthday post. It had the flowers on the bed and stuff and everything or whatever. Y'all, I'm a little under the influence from making it. Hold on. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to edit. Went to Target. I'm gonna have to show y'all what I got in a minute because I really just want to get to editing. So I done had like 2 glasses of wine and smoke, so therefore I'm a little tipsy. I'm drinking on some Stella Rose Peach. I gotta get my kids in a minute, but I need to finish this video. So I'm finna edit and then I have to make sure I got everything I need over here. What a damn memory card thing. And then I'll be back and I'll actually get to talk to y'all. Y'all, she's so scared.
Hey, cute, but
V came to bring me my birthday gift.
You can't read, but I just saw an article where y'all killed some babies. And what you doing?
A husky?
No, it was
Come here,
just
come
dogs.
on. The hell away from her. Thank you. Give me a hug. Look at me.
Trip.
It was so much fun.
Hold on, cause do my makeup look orange, y'all? I'm trying this Charlotte Tilbury.
I can't even see that good because I'm
Girl,
a little tipsy.
I feel like I like an Oompa Loompa.
Y'all, look at my birthday gift. I wanted one of these. I'm wearing it tonight. Thank you, V.
You're welcome. Jump. You don't play?
He don't jump.
Oh. That's like me, I don't run.
My babies are here, and what about my camera just broke? It started breaking in Miami, but it's broke now. The memory card will not go in here, and it keeps saying unable to read memory card. So I gotta get that fixed before this week is over with, and I had to bust out my big camera. So if the quality sucks, I am sorry. How the fuck long was it recording? Why did it stop recording? Like, I'm going through shit with this camera. That camera is breaking. The memory card was acting stupid, and now this camera acting stupid too? Like, why would it stop? I didn't press no buttons. I'm finna start doing my hair and my makeup. I'm finna get dressed. Me, B, and the kids is about to go out to eat for my birthday. My vlog is uploading, so everything should be good. I apologize for this audio. I apologize if the quality is off, but I'm having to use my big camera. Thank God I did not sell it, because I was about to sell this camera, and now I'm happy that I did not. So let me show y'all first what I had got from Target. I had got these pants right here, and they are like some pleather, you know, pleather pants. And I didn't even try them on, so let me try them on. I got them in the size 12, and man, I'm gonna have to figure out what's wrong with this camera too, because it keeps stopping. Oh, these fit good. Oh, these fit real good, girl. You look good. These fit good. Alright. I got this, and I also got the jacket to go to it, but I wasn't gonna wear this jacket with these. However, I think this is cute. It's giving, okay? And then I got this little dress right here, and I actually got this to wear under this. So like that with some boots. Period. So let me go ahead and get in the shower, start getting dressed before this camera cut off. Again. Y'all, me, B, and Bryce are out to eat. We at 6:18, and I'm vlogging off my phone because my camera broke. So it's gonna pretty much be voiceover. So yeah, enjoy the vlog.
This is a mellow beat.
Heaven sent you to me. I'm just hoping I don't beat history. Boy, I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Sitting in the kitchen, I'm on the bed alone. I don't need a lipstick, I'm on the floor. I'm on love, it's in the night, I wouldn't know. Switching up, perfect. You're too good to be true. But
Y'all, I'm pretty much gonna add this on to the vlog, my Miami vlog, because YouTube deleted my Miami vlog, so I have to go back in and re-edit it. It was up on time on my birthday in order for y'all to tell me my birthday, but it violated something, so I'm gonna do it over, and that pissed me off. So I'm gonna re-edit that. We done got back from out to eat. As you guys can see, it was a good night. I had an amazing birthday. And on tomorrow's vlog, I'm going to open up my birthday gifts and just start the vlog over with my normal routine. So I love you guys. Like, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And until next time, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Happy birthday to me. Okay guys, so I think I fixed my camera. The only thing that you have to worry about now is the audio. But I'm about with great rising for one. It is Wednesday morning. The kids are upstairs. I'm pretty sure they still sleep. So I have like no breakfast food in here whatsoever. And I have not went grocery shopping because I've been traveling and stuff. So I need to go get the kids something to eat.
Right, but you made up your mind, so you might as well.
How did that come on? Okay, I gotta go get the kids something to eat. And what else I gotta do? Oh, I got an appointment over at Geek Squad to take my camera. And I'm gonna go ahead and take both my cameras because I'm gonna let them tell me what they can do, if it can be fixed. I would love to have 2 cameras. So I'm gonna do that. And then I have a lot of stuff to do today. I made a whole list. So let me just read y'all down the list. How about that? So I gotta make my hair video live. I gotta fix the vlog and make it live tonight. Get the kids some breakfast. I gotta dye my hair, and I gotta go buy the hair to dye because I didn't order it like a dummy last week. I got 2 sponsorships that I need to do today, but it shouldn't take long. Take my camera to Geek Squad. I need to take this wig off and wash my natural hair because I haven't washed my hair in like a month. And then I need to get fitted for my dress, for my birthday dress, which she's texting me now. I might have to get fitted for that in the morning. And then I need to find some shoes to go with my birthday dress. And I need to start packing, but I'm probably, honestly, truthfully, not going to be able to do that until Friday morning. So, yeah, that's like the list for today. And the kids going to be home. Mariah has something to do pretty much every day during this fall break. I got to open my birthday gifts. Look at my birthday gifts. I got to open all my birthday gifts. So when I come back home, I'm going to be pretty much like, you know, trying to do my stuff and just trying to relax. Because I don't get no more off days till next week, honey. Till next week, and I cannot wait to just be in my house. Oh, I also, let me write this down. I have to return all this stuff to the codes for Amazon. I got a lot of Amazon returns, so return all Amazon items. So I gotta return all these Amazon items, and yeah. So I'm gonna make a thumbnail real quick, feed these animals. I just came from taking Ice out because he was not patient at all this morning. I found out how to get this camera to have longer recording times, so I'm good there. Other than that, yeah, that's my morning. So I'm gonna add these clips on, and I'm probably gonna start a vlog today. So I love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Great rising, you guys. Great rising. So I decided I'm vlogging off my phone until I go get my camera because I'm gonna have to go buy a new camera. I gotta ship this camera off and go buy a new camera because I decided that I'm not gonna let anything stop me or anything hold me back. The quality is gonna be different for a little minute. That's if they don't have no cameras, because I gotta celebrate my birthday this weekend. So if they don't have no cameras at the store, then I'm gonna be on my phone all weekend, which I just pray it ain't gonna be no problem, okay? But I'm headed to get my lashes done, and of course I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I got my coffee this morning, and it's about to be a good morning. It's Thursday. Damn, I ain't put no cream in here. It's Thursday. Y'all know my favorite day of the week is Thursday. I was born on a Thursday, so it's my favorite day of the week. And Bryce asked me, he said, Mama, can I stay till Friday? And I might let him, because I really don't have shit to do until in the morning, so I can really drop him off in the morning. So I don't know, he just love being at home, and he ain't been at home, so I'm pretty much probably gonna let them stay at home till tomorrow, because today I just have to go get my hair done at 3. I get my lashes done. And then when I'm at home, I just gotta pack, so he can be at home. My baby gonna stay at home with me until tomorrow. And then he gotta go, okay? So let me drive, and I need to see what this quality look like, and then I'll pick y'all back up. Oh, y'all, look at this. I look crazy right now, but these look so freaking good. They look so freaking good. Like, oh my God, I love them so much. I know they look crazy right now, but bitch, wait till tomorrow. Oh my God, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. They look so freaking good. Okay, I'm finna go home, feed my kids, and yeah, get my day started. I'm home, y'all, and I gotta find my camera holder thing, but I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm editing the vlog now, so this gonna go live tonight, and then I got a video already planned for tomorrow. But I wanted to end this one off with me opening my gifts. However, I got shit all over the kitchen because we are doing shit. We doing stuff. But I'm finna show y'all what I got for my birthday, because I was able to pick up the stuff. So gift number 1, this comes from my sister. It's the little home decor that you put inside of a vase. So love, love, love this. This is what I grabbed first, so that's what I got. And then she also got me some flowers, because she know that I love flowers. I love my big sister so much. Y'all know I'm the baby. I'm the baby. Okay. So also, this stuff came in this bag, and oh, she got me some wine glasses, because she know how much I love my wine. My big sister love wine too. She got such good taste. So I got a 4 set of some wine glasses. And then she said, I know how much you love throws. So she got me a throw cover that is pink. And it's so cute. So y'all definitely gonna see me snuggled up with this on my couch. Oh, I can't wait for that. This is so cute. Yes, thank you, big sissy. She watched all my vlogs, so I know she watching this. And then she put some goodies from her business in here. Y'all make sure y'all click the link down below. Go support my big sister, because baby, oh, she gave me so many. So let me see. Let me open these up. The first pair that she gave me is these. Oh my gosh, I left them already. Hold on, let me get them open. It's these. Oh, who's that girl? Na 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 na. Oh, I like the way these feel. These are cute. These are cute. So yes, got those. And then this is the second pair. What are these? These sunglasses, they look like blue light, but oh my gosh. Oh, I've been wanting some of these. I think I had some of these in my Amazon cart. Yes, sister. Definitely wearing these this weekend. Definitely putting these with an outfit. Like, are y'all feeling these or no? Well, wait till I get my hair on, and then you can tell me. You can't tell me when my hair not on. You can't judge shit when your hair not on, because when your hair not on, nothing looks right. Oh, I can't wait to get my camera back. Okay, second pair. Oh, and she gave me that pair. I could have sworn I had these in my Amazon cart. Like, no, for real. I love them. Girl, yes, I'm gonna wear these. I need my prescription in them. I need my prescription in these. And then this is the fourth pair. She just said, I'm gonna give my sister some of everything. I don't even want to take the things off of this. I love these. Oh, I'm gonna rock them all. Damn, these are tinted. They are tinted. Thank you, big sissy. And last but not least, oh, she know I love necklaces. She always give me the best like jewelry. Oh, this is pretty. I'm definitely gonna have this on this weekend. It looks like this. Ah! I love her so much. She just know everything that I like. That is just so sweet. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next gift. My sister got me some of everything. Like, she got wine glasses, sunglasses, a necklace, some home decor. She was like, bitch, we finna touch on everything. And I absolutely love it. Thank you, big sissy. Okay, this next gift, I want to say is from my mom. So let me see. It's in this bag right here. It sounds like some liquor. I'm gonna read the card first. Happy birthday to you. Today when you wish on your candles, I'm going to make a wish too, that all of the happiness you add to life will somehow return to you. Happy birthday from Miss Dolly and Ronnie. This is from Bryce's grandma. Oh my gosh, I love her. I love y'all. Thank you so much, Miss Dolly. Let me see what she got me. This from Miss Dolly and Bryce grandma. Now she know. Miss Dolly, Bryce's grandma is a Libra too, y'all. Her birthday is September 30th. So she got me some wine. Oh my gosh. This is so stinking cute. What else is in here? So, this is from Bryce. This one is from Bryce. It says, Mom, thought you would appreciate a birthday card from a kid who always listened, never talked back, and never disobeyed. Now, who kid is this? Who kid is that? Oh, it's like, but I have no idea who that would be. Look. Oh my God. Y'all, this card say, Mom, thought you would appreciate a birthday card from a kid who always listened, never talked back, and never disobeyed. But I have no idea who that would be. So love, Bryce. I was like, who kid is that? Because it ain't mine. But let me see what my baby got me. Because he loves getting me things. Okay, so that's it. He just got me a card. Oh my God. Okay, now this is from my mother. Don't worry about tomorrow, for today will worry about itself. This was my mom's came in. And it has Matthew 6:34. Don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Love that. And my mama, she knows. She be coming through. She got me a sheet set, a king black sheet set. She can't go wrong with getting me sheet sets. It says Lewantalia Horton or Lewantalia. Hold on. Oh my God. Only the sweetest of wishes will do for a birthday girl who's as special as you. Happy birthday with love. I love you so much, my poo. And then it just says, Mom. Y'all, this is so freaking sweet. And then, of course, I told y'all what V got me. And she got me this mood necklace that I'm going to put on today because her mood necklace actually changes. I'm finna get ready for my hair appointment, so I'm finna go ahead and upload this vlog. I love y'all. I know this vlog was a little bit all over the place. My camera went out. I gotta ship that off. I was trying to use my big camera over here, and it wasn't acting right. And then I'm trying to use my phone. I was finna go buy a camera. I ain't went over to the Best Buy yet, but I'm gonna just start a new vlog on probably tomorrow, because I don't want to like rush myself today, and I just got a lot of running around to do today. So I'm probably just gonna start a new vlog on tomorrow. Y'all still gonna get a video tomorrow, and then we gonna let it be there and go for the weekend. So I love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you, everybody.